Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another Wales side-by-side video. I'm actually making a video about what's illuminated on the door in the respective switches when you're in the car at night. Because I've had a question off a subscriber just saying how much he loves his new Yaris GR Sport. And he's asked me a couple of questions. One was, his YouTube music keeps cutting out when he's playing it on Bluetooth. He tells me he's disconnected it, done a factory reset, and it only seems to work when it's wire connected through Android Auto. Now, I'm not Android Auto, I'm running Apple CarPlay, but to be honest, I've never tried connecting anything through the Bluetooth, because I just go straight for a wired connector, and I've never had any disconnection problems. So that might be worth giving it a go. But before I try that, let's see if I can answer his other question. Why isn't there little lights on the electric window and door lock switch? He says they're difficult to see at night. So let's put the iPad to bed. Put it on the seat upside down so it doesn't illuminate the car, and have a look and see what is actually illuminated on the switch. What's actually illuminated in my GR Sport is the driver's window electric door switch is illuminated, which guides you to the switches. And all four of them you can find by feel. The switch that controls the folding mirrors, that's also illuminated. As you can see, my mirror just folded in and out. That's illuminated and stays illuminated. The adjuster for the mirrors, for setting your mirrors, stays lit up. And that little green light there is the lock switch, which stops passengers using the electric windows when you're in the car. But when you come over from the lock switch, you've got the lock you in and unlock you switch. But that's easy to find because it's got little dimples on it. It really doesn't need to be lit up, because the switch that guides you to them is the switch for locking the windows off so nobody can use them. What else stays lit up on my car whilst you're driving it? Well, all the controls on the steering wheel stay lit up on both sides of the steering wheel, but really you should know where all the switches are when you're driving the car, and it's not something you should really have to take your eyes off the road to find, because once you get used to the car you just know where everything is. Same goes for the switches there, really. The two switches down on the console down here, they stay lit up. One's for adjusting the headlights up and down, and the other one is for the automatic high beam. They stay permanently illuminated. Also on my car, my pedals stay illuminated. So does my centre console where the phone is. That stays illuminated on my car. And so does the passenger side door handle. That stays illuminated. But I have been in a few of the Yaris's and a few of the GR Sports where that function is not enabled. They just don't turn on. Mine's always been like this. What's lit up now stays lit up. There's nothing illuminated in the back that I do know, but they've always been on. Everything I've just pointed out that's illuminated stays illuminated, even when I'm driving. Why this gentleman's car doesn't do what mine does, I'm not 100% sure, but all I can report back is what you can see here and what is illuminated. So I'm not sure why the gentleman's car isn't doing what mine's doing. I've no idea. I can only show you what I've got. So I'm going to close that video off here, and I'm now going to connect my phone to Bluetooth and try and replicate the problem he's having with his Bluetooth disconnecting on YouTube Music. So I hope that answers that question about what's illuminated in the car, or what's illuminated in my car. I don't know what the differences are between different cars and different models, but like I said, I can only report back on what I've personally got. Anyhow, thanks for watching the video. If this is useful information, so be it. If you've enjoyed the video, you like this sort of content, please consider clicking like. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching.